My dear children, are you doing well? I hope you are. What about our last day's activity? I think all of you did it well. Good children. Keep your notes clean and safe. Can we go to our next session? Sure. We can go through our first passage. All of you take your book, open it and take page number 10. Now read the name of the passage loudly. What is it? The worry. എന്താ worry എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാല്? പറ. Tell me. വിഷമം. Now, I will read the passage for you. Listen me carefully. Take your textbook. Open it. Are you ready? Let me read the passage. Each and everyone should go through all the lines. Underline with your fingers. Okay. Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. He was a just and wise king. The king was fond of gardening. He spent a lot of time tending his garden, planting the finest plants, fruit trees, vegetables and crops. His people were very happy. The king did not have children. As the king grew older, everyone got more and more worried. Who would take over the kingdom after him? Dear children, did you hear me? Did you understand this lesson? Did you get anything from this? I think you got something. Let me ask you some simple questions based on this passage. Okay, ready? Now, the first question, who was Vidyadhara? Very simple answer. Now the second one, what kind of a king was Vidyadhara? Next, what was his hobby? What did he spend his time for? Was his people happy? Why was the king sad? Why was his people worried? The king did not have children. What will happen to the kingdom? Children, now these are the questions for you. Now, write the answers for these questions by going through the passage. Write it carefully after reading the passage twice or thrice, as much as you want. If you are not able to write, read it again and again. One more thing, while reading, underline the new words and difficult words and try to learn it. Now are you ready? Or if you take your notebooks, open your textbook, start reading the passage. Now what is the first question? What is the first question? Look, what is the first question? Who was Vidyadhara? Who was Vidyadhara? I'll give the answer for that. Who was Vidyadhara? Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. Okay, now the rest of the questions. You have to read the passage and answer those questions. Ready? Okay, now start reading and start writing the answers. Okay, thank you my dear children. We can see the next day. Thank you. Stay safe